First, open any browser on your device. Go to the extension section and search for a VPN. Choose any VPN you like, add it to Chrome and turn it on. Now connect your VPN to a United States server. Once you're connected, head back to the browser and search for Dreamina AI. Click on the first website that appears. Make sure your VPN is still active and set to the USA. This is important. Now you can access Dreamina AI and start generating videos for free. Enjoy creating with Dreamina. Oops, I almost forgot to mention, after you visit the Dreamina AI website, make sure to sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll get free access to this powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Let me know what tool or topic you want to see next. Now sit back and enjoy the final result. See how I created unlimited videos completely for free.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow